Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Pinterest app on Android. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store on your device and tap the search bar. Type in Pinterest and tap Search. When the results are shown, tap Install. After Pinterest has been downloaded, open it. And that's how you download the Pinterest app on Android. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.